So what's your message to Filipino fishermen who might be afraid to go to Panatag or to other disputed areas because of the Chinese presence?
Well, I think we are concerned of the livelihoods of fishermen from both sides. I think if they can fish in the areas where they can catch fish, they can go. But there are some concern from each side how far they can go and to what extent they can go near to the islands and reefs that we have people there. So there are certain kind of limits that I think both sides are observing. For example, if Chinese fishing vessels getting too close to the Zhongye Islands, there might be some concerns on your side. But if fishermen getting too close to the islands that we have people, then there might be concerns. But in general, fishing can go on as usual.